Can you hide liked reels on Instagram? As of January 2026, Instagram doesn't offer a direct, built in feature to hide individual liked reels. Likes are generally visible to your followers if your account is public, or only to approved followers if your account is private. There's no specific setting to make reel likes private while keeping other activity public. Instagram's privacy settings apply to your entire account, not individual posts or reels. This means you can't hide likes on specific reels without changing your overall account privacy. To hide reel likes from non-followers, switch to a private account. On a public account, your reel likes are visible to anyone who visits your profile. On a private account, only approved followers can see your likes. To change your account privacy, start from your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then select Settings. In Settings, tap Privacy, then Account Privacy. Here you can toggle your account to private. This setting will hide your reel likes from anyone who isn't following you. Once your account is private, your reel likes will only be visible to people you approve as followers. The simplest workaround is to unlike reels immediately after viewing them. This removes them from your activity feed. Remember, this only prevents future visibility. Past likes might have already been seen by your followers. To unlike a reel, simply tap the heart icon again. Due to rising privacy awareness following recent data breaches, surveys show that 65% of Instagram users under 30 now prefer private accounts to control visibility of their interactions. Experts predict Instagram will introduce a like privacy toggle in the future, potentially by 2027-2028. This feature would allow users to selectively hide their liked reels without making the entire account private. AI-driven content moderation could also enhance privacy, enabling features like auto-expiring likes that disappear after 24 hours or predictive hiding based on user behavior. Celebrity incidents highlight the risks of public likes on Instagram. For example, singer Billie Eilish faced backlash after her liked reels, including political content, went viral in 2025. This led her to temporarily switch to a private account to regain control over her visibility. User case studies demonstrate practical responses. In 2025, a marketing professional shared how unliking reels immediately after viewing prevented professional embarrassment, though it didn't erase past visibility. They advocated for account privatization as a long-term solution. Some users switched to private accounts temporarily to avoid unwanted attention. This hides likes from non-followers, limiting follower requests and providing better control over visibility. Meta is testing features to provide users with more control over what their followers see. Beta tests in Australia allow invisible likes for Reels, where the creator sees the like but not the public. This could reduce harassment and improve privacy. Privacy advocates emphasize the risks of lacking like-hiding features and urge Instagram to adopt more user-friendly privacy options. Analysts predict that enhanced privacy controls could significantly boost user retention and trust in the platform. With 58% of global Instagram users having private accounts, the need for privacy control is more important than ever. Instagram's Restrict feature allows you to limit specific accounts from seeing your interactions, including likes on Reels. However, be cautious of third-party apps claiming to hide likes, as they often violate Instagram's terms of service. Using such apps can lead to account bans or suspensions. Here are the key takeaways and practical steps for managing your liked reels on Instagram. The primary way to hide liked reels from non-followers is to make your account private. This ensures only approved followers can see your activity. You can also unlike reels immediately after viewing them to remove them from your activity feed and prevent others from seeing them. Keep an eye on future Instagram updates, as the platform may introduce enhanced privacy controls to selectively hide likes on reels. Always prioritize your privacy settings and be mindful of the content you engage with on the platform. By following these steps, you can better control your online privacy and enjoy a safer Instagram experience.